Hey y'all, what's up everyone? My name is Dora and you're watching Creative Bath Lab. Today I'm showing you how to make coconut body scrub bars. I'm obsessed with this recipe. It's a fluffy scrub bar that goes on easy, exfoliates perfectly, creates lots of foam and lather, and rinses off effortlessly. You're gonna love it. As always, please check out the description for the recipe, helpful information, tricks, updates, and the supply list. The butter is the base for the bars. Use any butter that you want. The stearic acid makes the bars firm. Cool the liquid mixture to about 80 degrees Fahrenheit, then add the preservative. The baking soda and citric acid create a light, fluffy blanket of foam, and the SLSA creates a thick lather and additional foam. Add about 200 grams of exfoliate. I added half Epsom salt and half granulated sugar. The liquid mixture should be about 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit when it's added to the dry. Add scrub mixture to molds. Pack the mixture well to make it compact and flatten the tops. Freeze the scrub bars until they're frozen solid. This is going to make it really easy to unmold them. After unmolding the bars, allow them to become room temperature. Now they're ready to package and to use. To use the scrub bars, wet your skin liberally, then rub the bar thoroughly on skin to exfoliate. Add water to activate the baking soda and citric acid. You'll notice a light fluffy blanket of foam that's very easy to rinse off. All the dry ingredients, except of course the exfoliate, are optional. Having said that, I cannot picture a good scrub without baking soda, citric acid, and especially the SLSA. I just love the fluffy foam, and there's nothing that cleans skin better than a nice thick lather. I feel like it's sort of ironic because everyone knows me for my bath bomb recipes, and don't get me wrong, I put a lot of work, research, formulating, etc. into that, but I genuinely feel like my body scrub recipes are the best. I mean, personally, I love them so much, and I definitely feel like you will too. Alright guys, that's it. I know this was a short one, but I'll see you next time.